Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make a dropshipping site on Cartel, so let's get right into it. Now, while you're making an account and while you're making your store, you will go through an onboarding quiz, which does question you if you're gonna use your store and for what purposes. One of them is dropshipping, so you can easily select that, and it might help you pretty much modify some things on your site, which will best fit dropshipping. Now, as for dropshipping, you can do it in a couple of different ways. All you need to do is go into products and go and add a product if you want, and then you just need to search for a different product on a different site such as Temu, AliExpress, or any other sort of site like that. Then enter the product name and product description, add a category, and so on and so forth, add images. And then once you do that, set up the price and everything, you just need to save it. And what I would let you guys know, what I would recommend is that I wouldn't make a dropshipping site that looks like a dropshipping site. If people see that it's a dropshipping site at first glance, most people will just turn away, either because they think the products are low quality or because they already see thousands of other dropshipping sites which are not that successful. Other than that, you can use third-party apps. So if I go into apps, you can go scroll all the way down and you can use apps such as Printful or Art of Wear, which are print-on-demand services which will create your items and ship them automatically to your customers per order. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.